Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to back up your customized vocabulary file using AirDrop, a quick and easy way to keep your custom file safe and sound. Before we begin, here are a few important things to know about using AirDrop for backing up your vocabulary file. AirDrop only works between Apple devices. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on for both devices. Keep the devices within 30 feet of each other during the transfer. That's all you technically need. But it's a good idea to double-check your AirDrop settings, just in case you need to make any adjustments. Now let's walk through the steps. From your list of vocabulary files, choose Menu. Select Import/Export Vocab. Choose Export and Share. Select the customized vocabulary file you want to back up. Choose Done. Select AirDrop. Choose the device you want to send the file to. On the receiving device, look for the AirDrop notification. It may ask you to accept the file. Once accepted, you've successfully backed up your custom vocabulary file. Choose Done to finish. Back in the Unity AAC app, select Done and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more AAC tips and tricks. See you next time.